The BC Home Buyer Rescission Period, HBRP, comes into effect January 1st, 2023. That's a big mouthful. Let's find out what this is about and how it affects the buyer and the seller in a real estate transaction. We'll talk about how this works and the cost. First of all, let's understand how this regulation came about. This legislation was enacted by the BC government in response to the crazy market in 2020 and 2021. They felt that it was necessary to give home buyers some protection in an overheated real estate market. Also known as the cooling off period, this gives the buyer the right to back away from an accepted offer to purchase a home. This regulation applies to the purchase of residential property, including single-family homes, semi-detached homes, townhomes and apartments, as well as manufactured homes on their own land. This right must be exercised within the first 3 business days after the offer has been accepted. So timing is important. Unlike a subject condition, the buyer does not need to give any reason to exercise this right. All that the buyer has to do is to provide the seller with notice that they're rescinding the offer. When an offer has been rescinded, the buyer would owe the seller a fee of 0.25% of the accepted purchase price. For example, on a $500,000 purchase, the buyer would owe $1,250. On a $1 million home, the buyer would owe $2,500. Can a buyer waive their right to do this? No. Under the BC Property Law Act, neither the buyer nor the seller can waive this. Go, your go-to guy for real estate on Vancouver Island. Follow me for more real estate related information, and if there's anything you would like me to discuss, let me know in the comments.